So this is the East Oak 21-inch stainless steel fire pit. It comes with a carrying case. Really neat, all right? You can bring this wherever you want to go. I'm going to actually bring this on a trip this weekend. You see the carrying case, these straps wrap underneath. So I think the carrying case is pretty durable. In this video, I wanted to do it now because, before I use it, because, it's easier to show when it's clean and, doesn't have ash all over it. So let's open it up. This is 304 stainless steel. So I didn't even know what that meant. So just do yourself a little favor, Google 304 stainless steel. You'll find out that it's used in like food manufacturing. It's kind of like a standard stainless steel, not the highest, of course, but it's also not the lowest. It's a very good middle of the road stainless steel. Very good corrosive qualities. So it shouldn't rust and this should last a very long time. It's like a pretty good stainless steel. All right, so let's take this out of the carrying case. What you'll see here is it's 3 pieces, okay? You have like this top lip here. You have the base, okay? This is the base here, right? It's got these legs underneath. This kind of keeps it up off the ground, which I really like. Then it has these vents. This is where the air goes through to cause that secondary combustion. So basically what the secondary combustion does is it allows that air to go in there and it burns off the smoke. So that's what makes it smokeless. Smokeless basically, and it's also a play on words, let's be honest, it's smokeless. So it's still, you still get smoke, of course, it's a fire, but you have a lot less smoke. I mean, like way less smoke. So let's look at the base. So this is a 21-inch base. Basically that means the bottom is 21 inches. And again, you see all these vents. This is all here to allow air to flow up and around. All right, this sits not inside. It sits over top of the base. I think it says East Oak right there. Right, looks pretty cool. And then this sits right on top. All right, so that's the fire pit. It's 21 inches on the bottom and it's about 16 on the top. All right, I have other smokeless fire pits. This is basically the same, around the same size as like a medium, usually that you'll see in the other manufacturers. We won't get into that now. But very impressed. You can see the seam here. This is rolled and then welded. I'm not sure if you can see the seam. I can see it. It's not coming through the camera, but it's like right around here. I'd say the overall quality is pretty nice for a fire pit. And this is going to get, first time you put a fire in this is all going to get like this colored. That's what happens with stainless steel. It's never going to look this beautiful ever again. So I kind of wanted to show you before, it gets all, used up. So that's what it looks like. And then what I want to do is basically just show you how you put it back into the carrying case. So first thing we do is we take this cover off. Down like that. We take this, we put it in like that. We take this case and we put it over like that. Then you take your case. It's extremely easy to put back in the case. That's why I wanted to show you this. You put that on like that. Basically, then you flip it over. You see, very good. And you put your case on. So if you want to pick one of these up, I'll put a link down below where you can pick this up. I'm Mike, Found Me DIY TV. Please please subscribe to this channel. I'll be also making a video on using this. All right, so if you want to see this being used, also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that. But I'm Mike, Found Me DIY TV, and I'm Fire Pit, East Oak, Smokeless, out.